Alright guys, so we got the truck back, fully inspected, DOT, it's passed. We should be good to go to pull with that one. And I'm gonna go back here, you guys, at the shop. I got my physical too, you guys. I went and got my medical card, DOT medical card, so I'm good for another 2 years. And come down here to the shop. We got some material. We're gonna get rolling, you guys, early this season. I think we got a lot of projects, so I want to get a head start. But okay, we got some of these. Man, these pavers, it's crazy. Okay, so we got some of those pavers we can use. Yeah, okay, we got some edging, bullet edging right there. Okay, we got these pavers as well. We got some Holland pavers. We got some caps here. Right there's our bullet edgers that we use quite a bit. And okay, we got our freestanding wall blocks, some here. But guys, these right here, these pavers right here is what we need. We use. We got 2 pallets of those, the bell guard. So we'll be using that on a lot of our projects, you guys. The bell guard, Charleston pavers, they're tumbled. They got the tumbled look, so a lot of people like that. And yeah, the sun is shining. But you guys, I want to get rolling, to be honest with you. Get rolling and get going. We gotta, let me see here. I gotta clean this spot down here up, because like I said, we're bringing in a couple pallets of material, supplies, pavers. Okay, right here we got some. We have some edging there, edging here. So there's those big caps. Man, we got enough material here to like do landscaping at our place too, but I just don't have time, you guys, to do anything at our house. Too busy, you know. So I feels good to get everything situated, and tomorrow I'm heading up to take the MT, get that fixed, and then I'm gonna go out and pick up my track loader as well. We got the DOT sticker out. Good, good, guys. Alright guys, so I got the trailer here with the 2019 Chevy. This trailer, you guys, it's a H&H 24x8, and it's, I'm not sure what the model is, but it's got these ramps. Just folds right down. I'll show you. So we got to, I think that was like 7,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, I don't know. It's one of those. About 2-hour drive, you guys. Normally I'd take it to the closest dealer. We've got Henning Rental here too, but they're not actually a Bobcat skid steer dealer. They fix used ones, they sell used ones, but they're not actually a dealer, so they don't do warranty work. And so that's the only bad thing. There's other skid steer Bobcat dealer around this area in the 30-40 mile radius, but I bought it from these dealers 2 hours away, you guys. Now I don't buy anything from them. They're great. It's good service and stuff. But since I bought the MT there, I'm just gonna take it there to have them get the warranty work done. But yeah, the rest of my Bobcats that I purchased, the dealer is probably about an hour away, you know, and it's one of those things, you know. You just take what dealer is around and which one gives you the best service, provides the best service. And you know, there's some dealers that I've gone to dealers that are close around my area and wanting to buy a Bobcat. I remember when I was looking into getting the T595 and S595, you guys, the service in the 30-mile radius here from Jackson, I'm not gonna name no dealers or anything, you guys, the service wasn't good, you guys, wasn't good. There was one that I walked in and they didn't even want to deal with me. You know, they look at you, they weren't even trying to sell you and help you with the Bobcat, what you needed, right? I don't know what it was, but now I just go up to the one up in Mankato, Minnesota, Bobcat of Mankato it's called. And I've been working with them for like 3 years now, 4 years. And you guys, I've had great luck with them. Every time I call up the sales guy, you know, he's willing to help, gets back to me. If I need if we need repair on anything, we take it up there, and then they just keep me updated, you know. It's those things, you guys, that will make you choose the right dealer. They just got to provide the best service, you know. And yeah, but this one, you guys, this is one of my first dealer that I bought, like actually bought an Mt85 from. So I'm just gonna take it up there, have them do it. I know it's a little far away, but you know, it is what it is. Up at Lano Equipment. Got our Bobcat here. Pull in the back. Check out the Steiners, guys. It's nice. Alright, guys. So we got the new key switch in. As you can see, it's more of a plastic looking. The other one was metal. So they got a key for us. It's gonna have a plastic, you'll see a cap on it, so it's all waterproof. Alright.
There we are.
Should work. Thank you, sir.
Blow out. I don't know if the old ones will work, but these are more weatherproof.
Okay.
They slide over the top, keep the rain and stuff out.
Nice.
Alright.
Alright, thank you, sir.
You bet. You have a good weekend.
Yep, you too. Yeah. Alright, guys, so that is done. Here's the cap. As you can see, it's got a cover. It's good to go.